Welcome to the in front of me TCL 30 SE, and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So now, just to add or remove or change the position of some icons here, you should click on the edit icon. And now if you wanna, for example, add some icons here to the notification panel, you should, from this down section here, we have this for last invisible icons, and if you want to just add them to your notification panel, you should hold it and drag it here to this up section by this way. So hold and drag it here, and that's normal, so just doesn't matter what you'll add here. And if you want to just save the changes, you just go back and you can see here that we just successfully add these icons to the notification panel. By the same way, if you want to remove some icons, hold it and drag it here to this down section by this way. Just go back to save the changes, and now you can see the result here. And also, if you want to change the position of the icons, just hold it and drag it here. Here you can see that we can just change only two icons together, but this one you can just change separately by this way. So as can you see, that's really simple. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.